Hi, so today we're going to make salted egg using loam soil solution. So first we're going to look for loam soil or muddy soil in our backyard. Once we've located our spot, we're going to use shovel for digging. So our goal is to get at least 6 cups of muddy soil because our ratio is 1:1. So it means that if we have 6 cups of salt, we will also get 6 cups of soil as well. So after we've gathered the soil, we're going to get rid of the unnecessary things like dry leaves or any grasses and stones as well. And we're going to find the soil as fine as possible. Then we're going to put a little bit of water and we're going to mix it together and make it as muddy as possible. So right now it's looking good. So now that we're satisfied, we're going to add 6 cups of salt. And now we're just going to mix it all together. You can add a little bit of water here and there as well. We really need to make sure that we're thoroughly mixing it together. So as you can see, we're almost done. Next, we need to clean the duck egg first. We're just going to rinse it quickly. So after we've rinsed it, we're going to mix it with the solution that we've made earlier. So this is what I did. I put all the duck eggs in the mud or in the solution that we made and just molding it, making sure that we're covering all the sides of the egg, just like that. So right now we have 10 eggs and we're going to put it on a container. So yes, this is what it looks like. Then we're just gonna seal and cover it using plastic wrapped all over it. So yes, finally this is the finished product and we will store it for 14 to 21 days. It's up to us. So for me, I'm going to store it for 21 days in order to get the best result out of it. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!